This is our new product, sunflower second generation downlight. We use plastic housing to develop sunflower downlight. We launched this product 5 years ago. At that time, on the market, the main materials of downlight is aluminum. We are the first time to use plastic to develop the downlight. It's very easy to pass the Europe standards, for example, EMC, LVD, and ROSE.
In our Jordan market, the most popular item is our emergency bulb. Look, this is our special design for emergency bulb. The battery is rechargeable. Here, put the Wellmax logo here. And our emergency bulb is 3-step dimming. You can look this. Yeah, different lumens. Our emergency bulb can use more than 14 hours in emergency situations.
We received a lot of inquiries on our global distributor program. People are interested because of the strong Wellmax brand and the value addedness that we can bring to them. Our brand distributions are already in over 50 countries worldwide, and in many markets we're the #1 brand there. It's definitely a collective effort from our GDP partners and the Wellmax team, and we welcome more of the strong partners to join us, to join the GDP program.
I'm very thankful for the Wellmax clients, and because of your family support, Wellmax have great success in the lighting business all these years. And because of your support and your trust, and we have achieved this great success. And we hope Wellmax will do our best to improve our work and our service to our clients, to grow up with our clients together.